Imagine waking up with a heart so anchored that no matter what the day brings, you have a deep inner peace. That isn't a fairy tale, it's a promise of wisdom. She's calling out to us in the first chapters of Proverbs, standing in the streets of our busy lives, ready to crown our days with grace and guide our steps with love. If you've been looking for a reason to breathe a little bit easier today, then you found it. Welcome back, my sister. I'm so glad we're spending this time together. Now, today we're stepping into the heart of Proverbs, specifically chapters 1 through 4. Now, these chapters aren't a list of rules to follow. They are a beautiful invitation to a life that flourishes. We're going to look at three positive pillars that will help you walk with a new kind of confidence and a deeper sense of peace. Now, here are the three pillars of a wise life. Pillar 1, Proverbs 1:7, the relief of reverence. Wisdom begins in such a powerful place. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. You know how we do, ladies. We sometimes hear the word fear and think of being afraid. But in the word, this is actually a joyful awe. It's the relief of knowing that God is the one in charge. When we honor Him first, the pressure to figure it all out just melts away. We don't have to carry the world. We just have to honor the one who does. Here's pillar number 2, Proverbs 3:17. Here's pillar number 2, Proverbs chapter 3, verse 17, the path of pleasantness. In Proverbs 3, we see a beautiful promise. Her ways are pleasant ways, and all her paths are peace. Isn't that what we long for in our homes and in our hearts? When we lean into God's understanding instead of our own, we find that the journey of actually we find that the journey actually gets sweeter. This isn't about perfect. This isn't about a perfect life. It's about a pleasant soul, one that can find beauty and grace even in the middle of a busy season. Pillar number 3, Proverbs chapter 4, verse 18, the brightening path. And I love this promise in Proverbs 4:18. That's the path of the righteous is like the morning sun, shining ever brighter till the full light of day. I want you to hold on to that truth because walking in wisdom means your best days are always ahead of you. Every step of faith you take today is adding more light to your tomorrow. You are growing, you are glowing, and you are being led into the full light of His love. Now, let's take a quiet moment together. And if you have your journal nearby, I want you to write this down. One positive proof for your week. My heart is anchored in God's wisdom, and my path is growing brighter every day. Now just sit with that for a moment. Let that sink into your spirit. And if you need to pause this video, go on and pause the video. We'll wait. Wisdom is described in these chapters as a garland of grace for your head. It's the inner beauty that no circumstance can take away. When you choose to listen to wisdom's call, you aren't just getting smarter, you're getting stronger. You're becoming the woman who can face the future with a smile because she knows exactly who is walking beside her. So to help you walk this out this week, here are two simple actionable tips. First, I want you to read Proverbs chapter 3, verses 5 through 6 out loud every morning as a declaration of trust. And I want to tell you, this is the verses of scripture that got me through an awful time when my daughter passed away. I knew that I couldn't do anything about what was going on, but in order for me to get through it, I needed to trust God. And that is what I did. And God blessed me with a second child. Now, the second one we want to look at is a pleasant way God provides today. Even if it's just a quiet cup of tea or kind word. And if this message brought you peace, please share it with a woman who needs a little extra light in her life today. Subscribe so we can keep walking this beautiful path together. So until next time, I want you to stay blessed, keep growing in God's grace, keep trusting His heart, and remember, He sees you and He is for you. Stay blessed.